Hi, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the chart management functionality in EasyCare. Chart management is to be used by those hospitals which keep patients' charts in their medical records department. And when the patients come back to revisit from the registration counter, they are normally the message is normally sent to the MRD to find the chart and take it to the doctor's consultation room. This feature will allow the MRD to automatically find the registered patients and pick up the chart. Now, one thing to remember is that when a new registration is done, a new patient comes for the first time, that patient's chart is not in the MRD. Therefore, it is assumed that that patient's chart will be handed out from the registration counter itself. Having said that, let's go and take a look at how the feature works. This feature requires a user who is a part of the medical records department. This should have been pre-configured in EasyCare, and then they can come to the chart management functionality. We'll first go and register a new patient. Remember, I said that a new patient should not appear in the list in the MRD for fetching the chart. So I'm going to register one anyway, just to see how it behaves. And once this patient is registered, we'll go and register a revisit patient. So I select the doctor's name and enter the fee. It has a validation problem with the address. I enter that, and now I've registered this patient. 478 is the number. And now I'm also going to register a revisit patient. Now I'm showing this example for emergency, but it will behave exactly the same way for OP. And patients are registered. Now I go to medical records, config and services, chart management, and you can see that only the revisit patient is there. The new patient is not listed here. I select that patient. The destination is not set because the emergency location is probably not configured. So the user has to set the destination and select the patient for fetch. So there could be one or more patients selected for fetch. You can print out the list of patients currently being selected for fetch and use that to go and find the record from the medical records department. And when you've found it, check it out. Once it's checked out, it's gone from your queue. When the patient's chart is ready to be brought back in, just search for that patient chart number and check in the chart. Charts which have been pending for more than 24 hours will be listed.